Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and I want to wish you a happy Easter. So happy holidays, happy Easter for those that are celebrating Easter on this beautiful chocolate-ridden day. Don't get too fat, all right? I've got a special offer, guys. I'm doing an Easter Day promotion. So if you look on this page below, you'll see quite a few. You'll see basically my best-selling course, which is normally $14.97. We sell this. It's a complete online Amazon and importing course, and we charge $1,497 for this normally. We have reduced it. We're doing an Easter promotion. So if you've ever sort of wanted to find out more about finding hot products, getting started with Amazon, selling products online, then take advantage of this special offer, guys. I don't do many of these. I only wait for really special occasions, but I've had a few people connect with me and they're saying, you know what, Alex, $1,500 is a lot to pay for a course, you know, for these skills. So I want to make this a lot more affordable for you guys. So if you want to take action, if you want to jump on Amazon, if you're wanting to start a business, if you want to quit the 9-to-5, guys, here is your opportunity. You no longer have an excuse. I've discounted this twice now massively. Complete online course. Not only tells you how to find hot products, tells you how to find and do the research on your competitors. You can find out exactly how much money they're making. You can also find suppliers. Usually within the first 48 hours or 3 days, you'll be on suppliers. You'll be negotiated with them. You'll be getting the best price. This entire course teaches you the entire system. I don't hold anything back, guys. There's no upsells or anything like that at all. It's a course that teaches you the entire thing, the entire system. So guys, take advantage. Read this webpage below if you want to find out more information, but take advantage of this special offer. I won't have it up for long. This is only going to go for a few days, then I'm pulling down this offer. All right, so have an awesome time, guys. I wish you the best on the Amazon success journey. I have been doing this for a while. I've been doing this for about 10 years. I also wrote a book, How to Import from China and Make a Fortune. I'm not just some expert that popped up out of, you know, like a mushroom out of spring rain. I have been doing this now for about 10 years. I've been a professional product finder for many of my students and many of my clients. All right, so guys, check out the link below, take action. I'll see you on the next page, and I'll look forward to seeing you in our members area. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?